In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So if you don't want to be billed again for Shopify and you want to fully cancel your subscription along with all of your app subscriptions and all of that, here's how you can do it. So just go and open up your Shopify admin, so this dashboard right there. So just go to your Shopify account, and then what you want to do is go to settings in the bottom left. And now from here you can then go to billing, and something else you may want to cancel first if you bought this through Shopify is your domain. So if you go to domains and you have bought a Shopify domain right here, then from here first just go and cancel your domain so that you will also not be billed again for the domain. From there you can go on to the subscription, which you will find in billing. And here you can see your current billing cycle, as well as your payment method. And if you scroll down, you can see subscriptions, items you are billed for on a recurring basis, like your Shopify plan and apps. First, just going to click View All Subscriptions. And if you have any paid app subscriptions, then from here, just go and cancel all of the app subscriptions so that they will also not bill you anymore when you cancel and delete your Shopify account. So if you have any, just go and cancel them from here. Now here you then have your Shopify subscription. To cancel that, go to Manage, and then it will take you to the plan section. Now here you have the plan itself. Now what you can do is just click Cancel Plan. And once you click on that button, you can see the unwanted changes. So we'll first cancel any app subscriptions, which I've just shown you how to do. Then cancel additional stores connected to your account and turn off automatic renewals for any domains. So all of this you should do before canceling your Shopify account. So the app and the domain we have done now. Now if you have any additional stores, then if you click on this link, you will be able to find those, and you can also cancel those. But I don't have any, I only have this one. So then from here, you can then click I have reviewed the information above. If you want to check the domain, you can still just click domains with Shopify. And here you can see your domains. Just make sure you don't have any that are still active. And then from there, click continue. Then it will ask what the main reason is. For example, I was just testing Shopify out. Doesn't really matter what you enter. Then click continue. Then you'll see your store will close and access to your data will be lost, but it will be available if you resubscribe. So you can save your payment details for a quicker store reactivation or not. Then go to enter your account password, and then you can click on cancel plan. And then you will see that now your plan has been cancelled, and they will save your store data for 2 years so you can easily reactivate. But from now you will not be billed again. So you can see your past bills right here, but they should not charge you again. So now you know how to cancel your Shopify subscription along with your domain and any apps and any other charges. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.